Hey, what's up, everyone? Real quick, let me check my audio. Make sure that's working well. I would hate to do this and then not have the audio work. There we go. Okay, that's much better. I'm glad I did that. Okay, so updates we're working on. Chat widget users, so people not using live chat. If you were using the normal chat widget, when a message would come in, the bot probably wasn't responding. We've changed that to operate how it used to work now. By default, if you get a message in through the chat widget, again, not live chat, it's going to default its response to SMS. So this is going to make it work just like it was before. Now, the awesome thing is we also have the ability now to override the response channel with our new channel parameter. By editing the webhook, you can add the key channel and values like Instagram, Facebook, email, so that if someone did send you a web chat message, if you wanted to respond on email instead of SMS as the default, you can now do that. And we'll have more info on how to do that in an article that we're going to release tomorrow. But again, we've set it up so that nothing has changed, even for our people using web chat. I have been working today on our long-term memory for bots. If you have inspected our main tab, when you click into a bot to see why it responds the way it does, you'll notice that we only look at about the last 10 back and forth messages. So it kind of forgets things from longer ago. Now, usually that doesn't matter, but sometimes people want to reference things from way early on in the conversation. And this new long-term memory feature will allow the bots to do that. What we'll do on the back end is when the message length gets out of view, so when there are like 10 back and forth messages, we'll have the bot run a summary of what's been discussed longer ago, and it'll add that to the prompt just so the bot knows about message history that may be just out of its view and things don't get awkward. Max is working on async library referencing. We're doing our library checking while we're doing the whole prompting stuff simultaneously, so that people using the library see response times just as fast as people not using the library. And those are updates and like web scrapes and PDFs and things that you've loaded that you want your bot to reference. That should speed up things by about 50% for people who are using our knowledge library attached to bots. So just to look at things we're working on, really focused on quality this week. Next week, we do have some more feature requests that we want to dive into. And then we are going to get started on our marketplace app. I have put this off as long as possible because we are doing a full remake of Closebot. And I don't want there to be confusion, because I've seen people have confusion when I start calling things V1, V2, V3. This is going to be like our V1 marketplace app. And when we release Closebot V2, that's going to have a V2 marketplace app. I wanted to not have a V1 marketplace app, but you guys have requested it. We're going to do it. And work on that starts next week. Okay. Thanks, everyone. Awesome day today. And we will continue to work tomorrow. And I'll give you an update tomorrow. Okay. Go keep building awesome bots, and we'll